it's me, and today I'm going to be making Santa Barbara squid. It's a recipe from my book Going Coastal that I think you're going to love. It is simple, elegant, and delicious. Now, if your only familiarity with calamari or squid is being deep fried and dipped into marinara sauce, today I'm going to give you a totally different perspective. Let me show you how we get this done. Alright guys, we are making Santa Barbara squid with fettuccine and spinach, so let's talk about our squid. Now you're going to find squid a few different ways in the market. The first is going to be previously frozen and whole. This means you will have to clean the entire squid on your own. Now this can be one of the most cost-effective ways to buy squid, but it's also one of the most time-consuming, so keep that in mind. Another way is to buy the cleaned tubes and tentacles. This means you have the entire tube and you just need to make sure that there's no quill inside of that tube, just to be safe. The other way, which is how we're using them today, is going to be sliced tubes and tentacles. I'm choosing this because it's the fastest way, and I promised you a really fast, simple, delicious recipe. Alright, enough about the squid. You're going to find the remaining ingredients for this recipe inside of the book. So let's start cooking. We're going to start by adding our butter and oil to a medium-high heat pan. We're going to add in our aromatics. This is going to be our onion or shallot, our garlic, and our red pepper flake. Alright, this next part is going to go really, really quickly. We're going to add in our tomato, our squid, our lemon juice, our lemon zest, and give that a toss. At this point, you should have a small, little, tiny sauce going on in your pan. Add a little salt and pepper to suit your needs. And then we're going to toss in the pasta, the cooked pasta. You're welcome to use any long pasta that you prefer. I like fettuccine or spaghetti, but use whatever floats your boat. Give that a toss, plate it up, and now it's time to eat. Alright, time to try this out. I promised you fast, I promised you quick, I promised you delicious, and I pretty much think I delivered on that. I want to encourage you to try out the remaining squid recipes in my book and try to go beyond what you typically use squid for. A lot of times it's just deep fried and dipped in marinara sauce. Nothing wrong with that, by the way, but I want to encourage you to expand your horizons. I am hungry. I'm going to dive in and let you know what I think. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Delicious, flavorful, briny from that squid, super delicious. Guys, buy the book, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Oh boy.